Hello all, welcome to Our Crochet. My name is Mary and today is the 31st of December 2020. We'll try not to say that year too loud. Nobody liked it. Nobody around the world liked 2020. I'm sorry guys, I just thought I'd kick the year out with a bang. Let's get rid of this ugly year. If you are joining us new, firstly, welcome. You have joined us on a very, very interesting day because let me tell you a bit about the 31st of the end of each year. Now, at the end of the year, I usually announce subscriber of the year. That is going to be today. The announcement will be today. For my regulars who have been waiting on the edge of their seats thinking, was it me? Look guys, I had to narrow it down from 3 down to 1. I was going to split it in the end between 2 and then I thought, no, I can't do that. I can't afford to do it. You have to see the prize. The prize is pretty big. It's pretty big, and I'm about to show you those goods in a minute, but just a quick one to let you know, firstly, to all of my subscribers this year, especially in this horrible year, thank you so much for subscribing and sharing and liking and popping on our lives. By the way, they're Wednesday afternoons at 4 p.m. and Saturday mornings at 10 a.m. Melbourne, Australia time. That's not what we're here for. But for doing all the things that you guys do for me, look, I have to thank you all. I wish I could do it all one by one. I wish I could give everyone a gift, but that is impossible, especially when you have 9,000 and I think it was 300 and something the last time I looked subscribers. So I had to narrow all of those people down to 1, and I don't need to tell you how difficult that was because it was. Narrowing it down to 1 person is very difficult when you have that many subscribers. Guys, look, I'm not going to say too much more. All I'm going to do now at the moment is head over to the workstation and show you some of the items that you, that 1 person, will receive, and I will mention your name after I show you the items. Let's head over and check out the items. Ta-da! I'm sorry guys, I can't fit it all in. So what we're going to do, we're going to come down here and have a look at things bit by bit. You have 4 magazines here, and 2 from which I only bought last week, lying just before Christmas was, so maybe 2 weeks ago. You have some Fiddlesticks yarn. We've been using this particular number here, the Superb 8, for our convivial cushion. So there you go. And you have 2 Karen cakes, you have some Biscay, you have some Florentine. This one here is a Bruno, and the one next to it is an Arresto, and the one in front, just the one, is a half cotton. I'm lying, try 72% cotton and 28% wool. You also have, I always say this name wrong, I call it Bavaria. It's actually called Bavaria. So there you go, get it right, Mary. And you have, and now I don't usually give this stuff here away. This is something I don't like to give away. It is, there you go, bamboo cotton. Seriously guys, I never give that away, so consider yourself lucky whoever wins this. You have some Click-Eaton yarn, which we use throughout the year. You only have 1 XL, only because I only had 1 in stock, sorry guys. Otherwise I would have put more. You have, this is our little coaster that we made this year. It is our St. Patrick's Day coaster. Gorgeous! And I'm actually giving away 1 of these gorgeous yarn bowls. I don't know if you'll use them, but it's coming to you. Now over here we have some items that actually came inside one of the magazines last week. I don't really want to give this one away, but I am. I really wanted to keep it because I love these little Dubalakis here. They're gorgeous. Gorgeous. They're like, you know, they hold your stitches in place, that kind of, like stitch markers, if you will. And you have some handmade labels. I think they're actually, they feel like leather, but they may not be. But they're really nice. But anyway, there you go. Oh, I forgot the buttons. Hello. This one, okay. This one here, again, I don't readily give away these buttons. They're actually some of my pride and joy buttons. I don't like to give them away. So you're very lucky, whoever's winning this. And that's it. Included with this is any pattern of your choice throughout the year next year, let me try that again, any paid pattern of your choice throughout the year of 2021 for free. Any paid pattern you want, you get for free. Oh my gosh, I don't usually give that away, guys. I'm not giving away the blanket, sorry, that one stays with me. Well, don't get too excited. It's my favorite blanket. What? That was huge. It still is huge because it's over there staring at me and saying, send me out. And I'm about to announce the winner in just 1 second. I'm sorry, guys. You're thinking, hurry up, woman. I'm not going to talk anymore. I'm just going to get on with Subscriber of the Year for 2020. So let me tell you about Subscriber of the Year. It is a she. Now, this particular lady pops onto our lives and has a very quiet chat. And I say quiet because she makes herself known on the live. She says hello, sits back and listens and occasionally responds, and it's lovely. Then she pops over to our Facebook page. She pops up some of the pictures of all the items that she's made here with us at Well Crochet, and they are gorgeous. I love seeing other people's work. She also likes our posts on Facebook and shares our posts on Facebook. This lovely lady is what I would call a quiet achiever, because not only does she do that, occasionally she pops over to Instagram, she clicks like, and she pops the odd message on our Instagram pictures and posts as well. And sometimes she sends the odd private message. But when I say sometimes, I mean a one-off occasion when she needs to ask a question. Now, aside from all of that, I know a lot of you already do that as well. But this lovely lady, I don't know why, I just get a special vibe from her, and she puts in a lot of effort here at Well Crochet, as well as everybody else. That, you know, everybody puts in so much effort, but again, I had to narrow it down to 3. And the 3 people that I narrowed it down to are pretty much the same. But this lovely lady, I would like to say thank you so much for all that you have done this year at Well Crochet, for Well Crochet, with Well Crochet. And that lovely lady's name is, are we ready, everyone? Liz Angelicus. Lovely Liz. Thank you so much for everything that you do with us and for us here at Well Crochet. And guys, don't despair, because next year, which is only a couple of days away, a couple of hours away. Hello, it's a few hours away actually. Only a few. We're doing the countdown. We want to kick this year out. I'm doing what we call a destashing. Now, the first week of January, I will be doing the destashing. Now, on the 2nd of January, Melbourne, Australia time, by the way, that is actually our Saturday, our first Saturday of the year. I will be doing my normal Saturdays live at 10 a.m. So what will happen, whoever comes to our live on the 2nd of January can help me decide whether they want this done in a live or whether they want it done in a vlog. What? I am leaving it up to you. The ball is in your court, guys. I'm giving you a few days to think about it. But on the 2nd of January, on our live, we will be discussing what we're going to do for our destashing next year. So Liz Angelicus, you have won Subscriber of the Year. You get all those gifts that you saw on the table, plus your choice of any pattern for free next year. Oh my gosh, that is huge, guys. I don't give things away like that very easy. I don't like to give away my patterns as it is anyway, normally. I don't even like to sell my patterns, but I'm going to be selling them next year, and that will be happening on the 3rd week in January. Get excited, guys. Those patterns are coming. And how are they coming? You'll find that out on the 2nd of January. I've got to leave something to your imagination. We have to think about it. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for joining us here at Well Crochet, and thank you to everyone who have put in so much effort this year for Well Crochet. Thank you for joining us and crocheting lots of gorgeous items. We've done so much work this year, guys. Be proud of yourselves. And one more time, congratulations, Liz. I'll be contacting you regarding your prize and how you get your prize. And I don't know what else to say except, guess what, guys? Let's kick 2020 to the curb, shut the door on the way out, and leave it there. Nobody wants it anymore. It's the 31st of December 2020. Subscriber of the year, Liz Angelicus. Thank you so much for watching, and all I want to say right now for 2020 is Happy New Year. Ciao for now. Bye.